Avvo legal representation matching app. The pros, the cons. Finding the right lawyer can be overwhelming, but the Avvo legal representation matching app makes the process much simpler. You won't believe how fast it can connect you with qualified attorneys in your area, tailored to your specific legal needs. The app allows users to search by practice area, location, and ratings. Avvo provides detailed lawyer profiles including client reviews, credentials, and disciplinary records so you can make an informed choice. A matching feature helps you narrow down the best attorneys for your case, saving hours of research. One of the biggest advantages is transparency. You can compare multiple lawyers, see pricing estimates, and even contact attorneys directly through the app. This streamlines communication and ensures you find representation that fits your budget and legal needs. However, there are cons to consider. While the app provides helpful matches, it does not guarantee outcomes or attorney availability. Some users also report that response times vary depending on the lawyer, and the free features may be limited compared to premium services. In conclusion, the Avvo Legal Representation Matching app is an excellent resource for anyone needing legal help. By offering curated matches, detailed profiles, and easy communication tools, it empowers users to make smarter choices when hiring attorneys. While it's not a replacement for legal judgment or consultations, it significantly reduces the stress of finding qualified representation.